So here are the two things. Now we pop it in. As you can see, very nice clicks. And here you go. Here's the back side. Very nice. Gotta love those rings around the camera. And then here's the front side. You have a little bit of abrasivity just to protect your phone. And yeah, so very nice. Clicky buttons. As you can see, I accidentally launched the camera. And we have the up and down volume keys. The ports line up. The microphone, the headphone jack, the USB-C port, and the speaker. And then the same thing here with the microphone on the top. And as you can see, they're promoting that air cushion technology on their phone or on the case. Let's see if we can get it to focus. There we go. And yeah, so overall, very solid feeling case. I do like this very much. And as you can see, there you go. It fits perfectly, and there you go. Looks very nice, very tight fit. You won't have a problem with this at all. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing of a case, because I know that cases are for some reason not that widely available, but yeah. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for viewing this video, and more videos to come on this phone. Definitely stay tuned. We have a lot to talk about for the Galaxy A52 5G. See you in the next one. Peace.